come check out this beautiful 2-bedroom, 3-bathroom townhome in Moorpark, California. Hey everyone, my name is Edgar. I'm your Ventura County local realtor. If you're looking to make a purchase or sell your current property, don't hesitate to reach out. My contact information is in the description below. So without further ado, let's get started.
Now I love this living area right here. I can just imagine having an entertainment system, a TV above the fireplace, a recliner, just really make it yours. Of course, always gotta highlight the kitchen area. Not a whole lot of space, but I like this. It's cozy, everything's very personal, right? You still have plenty of space to have a dining table, have plenty of area, and I like this little open area into the living room. And of course, the kitchen area and the living room have sliding doors to the private little patio outside. So that's the patio, and I did mention that this unit has a in-unit laundry, so you're about to see that in just a few seconds. Here we go into the primary room. And of course you have the dual vanity here. And then in a second you're going to see the walk-in closet. A lot of space. The camera doesn't really do it justice. It is a pretty spacious closet area.
And there you have it, folks. If you want to check out this property in person or other properties similar to this one in Moorpark, California, reach out. My contact information is always in the description below. Thank you.